Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you our extended bleeder fitting that we're coming out with for F-body and GTO applications. And what this does is it allows you to install our speed bleeder fitting into your location here without having to remove the transmission, which is a complaint that we've had from multiple people, and we're trying to do something about it. Now, this kit is not for the average Joe to install. It is a little on the complicated side. So we're making a video to walk you guys through it on how it's done. Alright, so step one is going to be to remove the factory bleeder from your slave cylinder. This will be done obviously from under the car, and you'll have a little more involvement than what I'm having now, where I don't have a chassis restricting me accessing this. So you're just going to remove the fitting, and we're going to ship you guys the extended fitting. Here's a comparison. We're going to send you guys the extended fitting with this hose already installed over the AN side. So what that's going to do is allow you to install this fitting, and you're going to do it much like you would install a hose when you're changing valve springs to put air in the cylinder, or when you're doing a compression check on an engine. It's the same concept. So you got your hose and your fitting, and you're gonna work it in and twist it in. So you're going to come from this angle when you're under the car. You're going to come right in, and you're going to be doing this blind now, so it's a little difficult. So you're going to get your fitting started. As you can see from right here, it's fairly simple. But when you're under the car, it's going to be a little more in-depth. So get your fitting started with the hose. And then what you can do is take a utility knife and just cut the piece of hose across the threads, and then it'll come right off. Okay, no big deal. So once you've got that done, you're going to grab a 1/2-inch socket, tighten this bad boy up, and you're done. One thing to do now is take the bleeder line, which by the way has a 90-degree fitting on the end, so you can't just simply install this fitting with your current bleeder that you already have. This is an all-new design. We don't have a 90-degree on any of our bleeder fittings. So then you're just going to put it on, and you're kind of unlimited to angle here with a 90-degree. You can have this thing in any direction, depending on exhaust, where it's at, how things lay out under your car. Typically you're going to want to do it like this, maybe in this direction, and that's going to allow you to route it up and away from the header, and then up to the engine bay where you can bleed it. So a couple of key things to note about this kit. One, this is a fully serviceable line. Once you have this fitting installed, you're able to take this line on and off as needed. No more taking the transmission apart. If you pinch a line or burn a line, it falls down on the header and melts, and you're not happy with it. It's not leaking, but you're not happy with it and you want to replace it. You can just simply unconnect it right here and replace the line itself. It's also a good option if you have your transmission apart, because then you still have the serviceability later on, and it's a little more convenient. Something to note that when you're doing this install, and I know some of you guys are going to have bell housings where the inside is a little dirtier than others. I've seen it myself. So when you do this install, it's a good idea to clean out the area as much as you can with brake cleaner or some sort of solvent in order to get as much grit or any grime that could compromise the seal of the fitting before you screw the fitting in. Other than that, you can purchase these online at tickperformance.com. I think we have a select amount in stock at the moment, but we will be manufacturing more, and come and get them.